Good morning, CDT day 96. So had an awesome sleep. Jesus maybe not so much because he had to deal with my sleep noises half the night. But other than that, yeah, it was a pretty restful time. But getting up this morning, we're just not ready. So all of Jesus's electronics are dead. Half of mine are dead. And we still have to resupply. And also there's a parade going on outside. And there's the fair today. And there's still happy hour this evening with beer. So all that to say, we are staying the night. So you are watching today's 0 day in Rawlins, Wyoming. So I just watched a movie and a half, and then now we're watching the LPGA, the ladies golf tournament. So, but just waiting for the parade to start, and of course it's right outside our window. So don't even have to move to watch it. So that's pretty sweet. Yeah, so got the room for another night, and we're just gonna have some fun and be hoodlums through the streets of Rawlins, Wyoming. The sideways driving car. During the parade intermission, make sure to check out this awesome dog with shoes. Wow. Alright, time for some lunch. So we are over at Buck's Sports Bar and Grill, and got some pretty extra large menus for my weakening eyes. So PBR, $1 all day, every day. That's the starter. $1. You're watching Hiker versus Hunger. This is Jandals, and today we are taking on the Buck Zillo Burger, a stuffed butter burger with bacon and cheese on top, with grilled cheese sandwiches as the buns, and let's head on a side of onion rings, all with a side of ranch, and of course, a beer. Let's attack this. Did I mention that the Buckzilla burger also has 2 eggs on it? Oh yeah, this is definitely a hunger challenge. In this battle of Hiker versus Hunger, Hiker wins.
Jacob won.
And Jacob won.
Sorry, Jesus.
That is a Buckzilla burger, a half-pound burger with bacon and cheese on top, with buns that are grilled cheese sandwiches with 2 fried eggs in the middle, a plate of onion rings, and 64 ounces of beer. Down the hatch. We'll catch you next time on Hiker versus Hunger. And not only do we have a fair and a parade today, but also a festival. So now we got live music and food, drink, everything. Time to hit the locals bar. Get myself a Devilito Belgian Ale. See what it's like. Ooh. Oh, darling. Yes. Jesus, are you smoking?
6 inside, baby.
Ew. We're back to a simpler time. back to the room for some more Domino's pizza. This time chicken bacon ranch with some barbecue chicken on the side. Some more movies and then back to bed. So that was about it for a pretty relaxing 0 day, and not terribly eventful, but it was nice with a parade and a festival, and being able to just eat and drink, and then most importantly just stay in bed for a long time and just watch movies and stuff is really nice. So that's the end of the day. We'll get back on trail tomorrow, so we'll get actually into some CDT eventful style stuff, and then we'll go from there. So see you guys tomorrow.